Character consistency in AI video. This has been the #1 problem holding creators back. Kling 3.0 just changed that. Today I'm showing you the simplest, most effective workflow I've found. And by the end of this video, you'll be generating fully consistent AI characters in minutes. Let's get into it.
You are not ready to know the truth.
If you've been following this channel, you know I've been obsessing over character consistency for a while now. We built a solid workflow using Google VO 3.1, contact sheets, reference grids, the whole setup, and it worked, but it took time. Kling 3.0 has just launched a feature that makes that process significantly faster. It's called Elements, and combined with the new Omni model, it's the most powerful character locking system I've tested so far. Let me show you how it works, and I'll tell you exactly where it beats the old approach. Let's start by creating our 2 characters, and this part is easier than you think. Head over to Kling Image Generator and describe your first character, the Samurai Master. Think about what makes him recognizable: age, armor, expression. The more specific you are, the more consistent he will look in every single scene. If you want to skip straight to generating, I've prepared ready-made prompts for both characters. Link is in the description below. Just copy, paste, and go. Generate a few versions and pick the one you like best. Then do exactly the same for the second character, the young student. Different look, different energy. Save both images. Now that your main characters are ready, click Create with Omni. This will take you to the next step. Kling Omni is the most powerful version of Kling's video generator. It combines character consistency, multi-shot control, and native audio in one place. As you can see, our image has been automatically added as a reference in the prompt window. But this is where we can take the image to an even higher level. We can turn it into an element, and that changes everything about how Kling understands your character. Click the Create Element button. This will open a new window where you can add an image or a video, and Kling will use it to create an element available across all your projects inside the platform. Super convenient if you're working with multiple characters, items, or locations. Create them once, use them in every video or image you want. To create an element, we need a few additional images of our character from different angles, and Kling makes this incredibly easy with the AI multi-shot function. One click, and it automatically generates multiple views of your character from that single image. Front view, side profile, 3/4, a complete visual reference ready in seconds. And one more thing, you can also assign a voice to your character at this stage. I will show you how to do it later on in this video. Save your element and it goes straight into your element library, always available across every project. Now repeat the same process for the second character. You now have 2 locked characters ready to use in any scene. I'll show you exactly how to use them in the next step, and trust me, that's where it gets really interesting. There are 2 ways to generate scenes in Kling, and in this part of the video, I'm going to show you both. First, multi-shot. We are going to generate the entire forest duel sequence in one go, 15 seconds, 6 shots, 1 generation. This is the fastest way to work, and it is perfect for action sequences where you want Kling to handle the pacing and transitions automatically. But for dialogue scenes, like the temple confrontation, multi-shot can work against you. Tight close-ups, precise emotional expressions, lip-synced dialogue, these need individual attention. One scene at a time, locked together with a simple trick. Let's generate the forest duel first. Open Kling Omni and select both characters from the Elements library. Set the clip duration to 15 seconds. Now enable multi-shot and select Custom Multi-Shot. In this part, you have to think like a movie director. I have 15 seconds and I have to make them count. Kling gives us the ability to split the sequence into 6 parts. That's 2 or 3 seconds per scene. And that's exactly what we're going to do. 6 shots go into the 6 prompt fields. Keep each description short and clear. The model follows simple instructions better than long, complicated ones. You can ask AI assistant like ChatGPT to help you write the scenes, or use my prompts that are in the description below. Hit generate and go make yourself a coffee or tea. Multi-shot generations take longer than single clips, usually around 10 minutes. When it comes back, you will have a complete 15-second action sequence with 2 consistent characters. And I want to be honest with you here, it does not always come out perfect on the first try. But here is a tip. If the first generation does not come out the way you wanted, try tweaking the prompt slightly and generate again. Then in the next step, you can combine the best shots from 2 or 3 generations into one final sequence. Now let's switch to the temple scenes. But before we generate the clips, we need to add one more element, the location. Go to Kling Image Generator and generate your temple interior. I have a ready-made prompt in the description below. Just copy and paste. Once you have an image you are happy with, open Element Library and create a new element. Now you have full creative control over your location. Every scene that uses this element will have the exact same lighting and the same atmosphere. Generate 2 similar images of the same location rather than one wide-angle shot. Use one image as the background element for scenes featuring the first character and the second image for scenes featuring the second character. Reserve the wide-angle shot only for scenes where both characters appear together in the same frame. Now in this workflow, instead of one long multi-shot generation, we are going to build each clip individually, one scene at a time, full control over every single shot. The setup is simple. Open Kling Omni, select the character element for that scene, and add your temple element as the location. Set the duration to 5 seconds and generate. And here is one more tool worth knowing about. Extract frame. After any generation, you can save the last frame of your clip as a still image. If you want 2 scenes to connect seamlessly, the end of one flowing directly into the beginning of the next, upload that frame as the start frame in your next generation. Kling picks up from exactly that point. Same lighting, same character position, same atmosphere. Not every scene needs this, but for key transitions, it makes a noticeable difference.
You are not ready to know the truth.
Now let's give our characters a voice. This is one of the features that makes Kling 3.0 stand out. Instead of using Kling's native audio feature, you can bind a voice to your character element, and every time that character speaks in a scene, Kling uses that voice automatically. Here is how it works. Generate a short voice sample in ElevenLabs. 10 to 15 seconds is enough. Pick a voice that fits your character. Download the audio file. Then open your element in Kling Element Library. Find the voice binding option and upload the sample. Kling extracts the vocal character from that recording and locks it to the element. Now, I have to be honest with you here. This feature is not perfect. I tried binding a female voice sample to the Master Samurai just to test how far the model can be pushed, and it did not work. The character kept speaking in a male voice that matched his appearance. This tells us something important about how Kling handles voice binding. The model seems to generate audio that is consistent with the visual identity of the character, not necessarily the sample you uploaded. Good to know before you rely on this feature for a full production.
I trusted you. And you lied to me. You were not ready to know the truth.
And that is the full workflow. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. New AI tutorials coming out regularly. Everything I used in this video, all the prompts, the character descriptions, the shot lists, is in the description below. Free to download, free to use. 2 characters, 2 elements, 2 methods of generation, and a complete cinematic sequence with consistent characters, locked locations, and lip sync. Now you can generate your own. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.